right, today we're gonna bring a 20 by 20 tarp. Material is made to take a lot of sun. You guys can see the fiber completed in the wall mesh. Extra seams right here so it won't fall apart, along with the rivets right there. You guys can see that. We're gonna hang this up. It's a 20 by 20. It's a long cord. It's a long cover. So this is the tarp. We're gonna put it up. I'm gonna put it on top of this one, give more shade. So we're gonna tie one side first and throw it over. It's a big tarp, as you can see. Gonna add extra shade. So we added the tarp on top of there to give extra shade. It's really long, so we're able to put it on the sides. You can see the difference, the shades it provides. We use these rubber band ties here. So there we go, we put up the tarp on top of this, give extra shade. Down with this, yeah. Extra shade, there we go. Put it nice and even.